Welcome to SoCalTech Interviews, where we talk with the investors, entrepreneurs, and others in Southern California's high-tech industry. Our interview today is with Dr. Masaru Rao of UC Riverside and Brynley Lee, CEO in residence at UC Riverside's Office of Technology Partnerships. These guys talk about a startup they're forming, Basilard Biotech. I'm Ben Kuo, founder and editor of SoCalTech.com.
Hi, I'm Masaru. I'm an associate professor at UC Riverside, and we're in the midst of starting a company called Basilard Biotech, and we're a life sciences tool company, and we work in the gene delivery space.
My name is Brynley Lee. I'm the soon-to-be CEO of said company. This is a very important event for us. We are planning to launch and commercialize next week. So we're here, to make sure that we meet all the right people and get our message out, because within about 4 weeks from now, we're going to, we hope, knock on wood, own the licensing rights to the IP that is associated with this technology, and we'll be a full-fledged company out there looking to produce prototypes and find investors who want to be a part of this journey.
Interesting. And so talk about your technology. What does your technology do?
So it's a disruptive solution for discovery, development, and manufacturing of cell therapies. And so it's essentially trying to supplant viral vectors as a means for engineering cells for various therapies, like CAR-T, cancer immunotherapies, HSC gene therapies, induced pluripotent stem cell regenerative medicine therapies. The common element to all these therapies is that they need to be engineered using viruses, and viruses have a lot of limitations in terms of cost, safety, scalability. So we're coming up with a solution that we hope will address those issues, a mechanical rather than biological solution.
Yeah, and what that means in business speak is that we have a platform that we think will be disruptive in this sector. The three areas that Dr. Rao mentioned where we find that we'll have the most efficacy and interest are in CAR-T cancer therapies, as well as in gene therapies and also stem cell therapies.
How far along are you in that?
So the technology is the product of about 10 years of research in my lab that's been funded by NIH and our campus. And we are, let's say, at the proof of concept stage. We've shown that we can make the devices. We've shown that they do work the way we expect them to. And so now it's an issue of scaling up and actually validating within specific application spaces.
Yeah, so that scale-up piece is key, obviously. And part of our phase one, which we're calling our next 6 to 12 months, will be to develop a scalable prototype in partnership with some development partners, probably future synergistic partners as well. And so we are beyond the lab research phase, moving into prototype development.
And who are the ideal partners for you?
So we are looking for at least one development partner in each of those platform areas. We have already spoken to several. We have lots more on the list, and we expect to have that locked up in the next 12 months.
So
Sure.
what kind of companies would be interested in your technology?
So you want to take it?
Yeah, so I would say one of the best examples would be a big pharma company that is currently being limited by their viral vectors in terms of cellular engineering processes. So you can think of any one of those, or you can think of the equipment makers that service this space. They could be a platform basically, or the contract development manufacturing organization as a platform to enable a lot of new therapies, or at least to facilitate their manufacturing.
So what's the biggest challenge for you going to, in terms of the start process? What's the biggest thing you need to figure out?
Well, the same problem everyone else has, right? So we are going to be actively trying to raise seed capital. The seed capital will allow us to put through our phase one commercialization milestones. Chief among those will be that prototype development. As Dr. Rao said, we're able to prove the technology and have proven it in the lab. We need to scale up to get to industrial strength scalability, which is what our future partners are going to want us to be able to prove. We believe we can prove it. We just need to go build it.